Here's a quick braid out that I turned into a half up, half down style because I love half up, half down styles, and they tend to work better for me if I stretch my hair a little bit beforehand. So braid out it is. I'm just using a little bit of serum to make sure that my hands are lubricated before I take apart the ends here, because or else things start snapping off, and then just going ahead and undoing the braids. Here's the final look. I think it turned out really well. The wind did want to take those two strands and blow them all over the place, so eventually I ended up tucking them back. But this was a really nice style that I was able to wear all day.